Action.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Hadian from class 12, majoring in visual communication design. The reason I chose this major is because I was a child. I enjoyed drawing and creating unique things, so I wanted to develop this talent VGD offers. Opportunities to channel creative I various from illustrations, photography to digital design, which I perfect for me as I have an interest in and curiosity about the world of technology. This majoring allowed me to combine art with technology opportunity in the rapidly growing digital era. I want to master various design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Canva, and Illustrator. Toward this major, I like to always think innovatively and not be afraid to try new ideas. In this majoring, I can channel my ideal to affinity visual forms. At the beginning of my studies is the major. I learned my new things such as creating nirmana, animation, poster, dan design. When I first entered this major, the facility provided were not sufficient. Visual communication design provide good knowledge about the world of design and technology. Visual communication design allows for us provides specialty in the creative industry. The VGT majoring can also open my opportunities for collaboration with various professions, the rabbi expanding my knowledge and network. After learning Nirmana, I saw learned how to creative animation using Adobe Flash. The first animation I learned was to make an object move really or follow a path. In learning animation, I discovered my new things such as learning programming. The first thing I learned was just the basic like Java. Several times I was assigned to create a Chinese system using the Java programming. When I worked on it, it was quality effort because I innovated my programming code lines. Besides using so my codes, I saw regular 100% logic. After a long time working on it, I finally completed the chasing system. I graduated. I also learned how to create motion poster. The first poster I created was for new student admission. Visual communication design trains us to think creatively and innovatively. In the major, I was also taught about videography and photography. In the videography lesson, I was learned how to shoot and edit video properly. 3 are my video shooting techniques and videography, such as panning, tilting, zoom in, zoom out, and more. In the photography lesson, I was learned the correct techniques for taking pictures. Besides the techniques, however, I was also taught how to set up the camera properly so that the quality of the image produced is maximized. I also studied networks as everything in the world is connected through the road network. However, the network have central types and their own uses. During the networking lesson, I was assigned to assemble an RJ45 cable or LAN cable. This assembly process involves my one color the net to be arranged according to serial ordering. After assembling it is checked using a testing tools. If something is not in the correct order or not properly connect, the light on the tool will not run or will show the wrong signal. In the following model, I explained the P5 project, which was done in group. My P5 project was about the history and prior methods during Cap Gomez. This P5 project trained me in how to communicate well with fellow members and also gave me knowledge about the various cultures in Indonesia. I studied 3D modeling techniques and I also delved into AI because I felt it was really my hobby. I used the 3D software XMax. So far, I have studied VKD and only encountered have difficulties with drawing and coding other than the theory are not. Because I studied it with joy and intelligence, so that the learning material should be associated very well The majoring will not change the visuals unless we are led to study it, like studying what tools are used in the application. As I said earlier, my software applications are used to do various tasks. When we editing using Adobe Photoshop, when we want to edit video, we can use Adobe Premiere Pro, and when we want to make poster, logos, and other things, when can use Canva. The software I mentioned is very easy until you have learned it. So we have to study it first before using it. Thank you.